Hello everybody, my name is Martin Moore. I'm a professional circus performer and stand-up comedian, and this is my channel, Funny Happy Stuff. This is a family-friendly channel, and every week I'm going to teach you something different that you can do with your family and your friends. I'll teach you to juggle, I'll teach you some magic tricks. Today's trick is a really nice one because it doesn't need any special props. It just needs ordinary, normal elastic bands. This trick is where the elastic band jumps across by magic. You can use hair bands. You can use normal hair bands. I like these because usually they're very easy to get hold of. If you're out and you suddenly want to do a trick, you can probably borrow a hairband off somebody. You can use the brown kind of elastic bands. This one's too big. You don't want one that is this big. You want the kind that are a little bit smaller. Now these ones are good, but a little bit skinny. So this size, but fatter. And I like these ones best. These are the red ones that you get from the post office. When my postman delivers a package, it's often got one of these red elastic bands around it. That's a perfect size. So here we go. The jumping across elastic band trick. I put the elastic band on two of my fingers. I close my hand into a fist. I magically wave across, and suddenly the elastic band has jumped from these two fingers and is now on these two fingers. Watch carefully. I'll make it jump back again. I have a fist. It has jumped back again. Now, I hope you think this is a nice trick. It's one of my favorite tricks. I shall now teach you how to do the jumping elastic band trick. Take your elastic band. You tell your audience you're going to put it over these two fingers. You show everybody that it is over those two fingers and that it is just an elastic band. But when you pull it, you put all of your fingers inside the elastic band. So from your side, it looks like this. From the audience side, it looks like this. Now you do whatever you want to do. You can say abracadabra, you can wave across it, you can click your fingers and it will jump back. All you have to do is open your fingers up and it will jump back. So look, two fingers. All of the fingers go inside. This is the tricky bit because you don't want to let the audience see what you're doing. So here, I just open my hand and it jumps back. Jumps across. This time, to make it come back again, all of my fingers go inside. The audience see that. I can see this. Audience see this. Jumps back across again. It looks nice, right? And the only thing you can do wrong is not to get all of your fingers inside it, because when you try to jump, it will tangle up. So quickly, one more time. Be sure to practice this a lot before you show it to anybody because it's too good. You don't want to mess this up. Elastic band, two fingers. You close your fist. 1, 2, 3. It jumps across. All your fingers inside. Nobody knows about that bit. Boom. Jumps back again. That is the jumping elastic band trick. Go and practice it. Go and try it. See if you can impress your family and friends. I think it's a very nice trick. This is Funny Happy Stuff. I'll be posting tricks and tutorials every week. So subscribe and maybe I'll see you again. Thanks. Bye.